All right, it's your boy Bosco the Don. Y'all know what time we on. You know what I'm saying? Boy Bosco with the sauce, the boss with the sauce. I'm gonna let y'all know what time it is so y'all know what's really going on out here, because a lot of people don't know. You know what I'm saying? So my job is to educate so y'all can levitate. You know, I just caught me the little, you know what I'm saying? Well, I've been had the Audi truck or whatnot. Light work, you know what I'm saying? But I just want to let y'all boys know it's real. Capping this rap, you feel me? But I'm right in front of the Porsche shop. I'm about to go make it, make it do what it do, see what's going on. You know, step in here. Plain Jane, ain't nothing really going on. I got the Isioma hat on. You know, shout out to Isioma for sponsoring it. You feel me? New luxury brand, y'all need to look out for that. But just letting y'all know what time it really is. People need to get on this life insurance wave because it's very serious if you want to be financially literate. And what do I mean by that? A lot of people, y'all are getting these life insurance policies with no equity in it. Y'all get these term life insurance policy that y'all can't borrow against. Okay? Then y'all get a whole life policy and y'all put little bit of money in there, $100, $200, and y'all think that y'all could do something with that. Okay? Now, let me correct myself. By you doing the whole life policy and you put in $200 in there, your family is protected, and that's the bigger picture. But I'm talking about if you want to go ahead and execute plays, right, while you're still living, and you don't have to wait till you die, or you don't have to wait 30, 40 years before you're able to see bread or money accrue in your life insurance policy account, then what you need to be doing is you need to be dumping mass amount of money into your policy. This is how the wealthy and the elite are able to shield their assets. Okay? This is how they're able to create their own bank, because they're dumping 25, 30, if not more, 80, 100,000 into their policy, because they know what in the next year or two they're going to be able to borrow against it. I can borrow against my own policy to do what? To trade in the stock market. I can borrow against my own policy to do what? Buy real estate. So now I don't have to depend on the bank. I can come in here plain Jane just like this, walk into a bank and say I want to go ahead and get a house, and I got collateral with my life insurance policy. So either they're going to get down or they're going to move around, because I'm coming in with what? With equity. I'm not coming in there wishing upon a star, begging and trying to plead to get them to approve me. I'm already approved from the time I go ahead and pull up in there. Just like if I were to walk into this Porsche truck dealership or this Porsche dealership, I already know I'm approved. There's nothing that I'm worried about. I come in plain Jane. I don't have to do all that extra stuff unless I want to. If I want to dress up, I can do that. If I want to dress down, I can do it. I'm still good. But like I was saying is, y'all need to go ahead and get y'all a cash value or custom cash value life insurance policy. And how do you do that? Now, how I did it was I went through an organization called Life Health Guardian. Life Health Guardian. I'll put the link in the description so y'all can go ahead and click on it. But essentially what they do is I log on or go to the website, I click on it, I tell them I want a quote, which is at the top right hand corner of the website. It takes me to the next page where I'm able to go ahead and get a real live quote. And then what happens after that is what? They give me how much I'm going to be paying per month. That's just the policy amount or the premium amount. So when I speak with the agent, here's the secret code. I say, listen, I know that, just an example, my policy is going to cost me $1,000 per month. You know what I want to do? I want to go ahead and put $50,000 into that policy at one time without it doing what? Mecking. MEC, go do the research. Mecking. Okay, and what mecking is just the IRS fancy way of them saying, hey, you cannot put X amount of money into a policy so that the IRS doesn't come back to you and say, oh, you're trying to use this as a financial vehicle to get away from paying taxes. So there's a legal amount that you can put in there without it triggering this MEC or MEC. Okay, y'all need to go do the research on that. That's y'all homework. So what I did was I went on Life Health Guardian, went on the quote tab, got a policy quote, and then when I spoke with an agent from Nationwide, because they got a number of agents. They got agents from Nationwide, they got agents from Aegon, they got agents from a number of companies. All the major company, Omaha, I'm thinking Mutual of Omaha, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong about that. But I know definitely the one I went with was Nationwide. And with Nationwide, they will go ahead and they will speak with you. And then that's when you tell them, listen, they're going to say, oh, okay, you want to go ahead and get you a quote? No problem. They're going to give you the quote. But then you tell the agent, listen, I want to go ahead and put more money into my policy so that it doesn't mech. I want to put more than 1,000. So when you tell them, I had an agent tell me that you can't do that. And I told them, yes, you can. It's called a custom whole life policy. A custom whole life policy. And what you need to do is, I had to literally break it down step by step. What you're going to do is you're going to attach riders to it. RIDER, riders. Chronic illness rider to it. Okay? You're going to make sure that the death benefit is increasing. And then you're going to tell them I want to put max amount of money. What is the maximum amount of money I can put into this policy right here so that it can do what? So that it can build cash value. How can I do that? You know what I'm saying? So that's what you need to do ASAP. Go to Life Health Guardian and make it do what it do on that. Don't procrastinate. And then once you're able to do that, they check. Sometimes they don't even need to check your health if you're in good health, or you might get a little medical screening and boom, you get the policy. Okay? So I got one from Nationwide. I got one from New York Life. Okay, because these are organizations that have been here. And will most likely still be here. When you see all the COVID crisis and everything at the very heat of it, never heard about any life insurance companies talking about they going under. And if they did, or if they are, you best believe the government is going to bail them out. So I'm giving you plays to go ahead and make sure that not only you're good, but your family's good, and generations and generations and generations is good. We're going to be talking about how to leave everlasting generational wealth for your kids, for real though. I'm gonna give y'all that play. I'm gonna give y'all that sauce in a little bit. But yeah, once again, this Bosco with the sauce, the boss with the sauce. About to go ahead and head on out. I just wanted to go ahead and keep y'all motivated. This is only for motivational purposes only, you feel me? For motivational purposes only. Ain't no cap in my rap. I'm just trying to let y'all know what time it is so y'all can be the best and stay blessed. All right. Shout out once again to Isioma, you know what I'm saying, for sponsoring this new fashion brand that's coming out. Y'all look out for that. Isioma, ISIOMA, Italy.com. Fire brand.